Good morning. I'm Dr. R. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine and Deuk Joint Institute. I'm here with a patient who's traveled from Pittsburgh to Florida. And what brought you here to the Deuk Spine Institute?
Well, I have had back pain for so long, and anything and everything we did didn't help. My wife did significant research. We found you online, actually, is how it started.
Excellent. And what kind of procedures did you have done before you came to Deuk Spine?
I've had 5 lower back surgeries, 1 fuse, and the others laminectomies and so on, all within the last 3 years.
And they were recommending another fusion for you, weren't they?
They were. That's when I really began to research other options. When they mentioned another fusing, I absolutely was not going to do that. So that began our research that ended up finding you.
The Deuk Spine Institute. And what we do differently, folks, is we cure pain with one procedure. Patients don't have to keep coming back having multiple procedures and pain management. And that's kind of where you were. You were in that surgery, pain management, surgery, pain management, surgery, pain management, back and forth. And that goes on if you keep doing it for the rest of your life. But you found a way to get out of pain and you came to Deuk Spine. How do you feel today?
Unbelievable. I have not felt this good in years, several years.
And you feeling good because we put you on some new pain pill that nobody else has?
Absolutely not. I've lived on pain pills up to this point. I'm on nothing. I have a prescription for some muscle relaxers, no pain pills. I'm on nothing.
And how did Deuk Spine Institute fix your back?
Had the L3-4, L4-5 laser surgery, and then the rhizotomy that was done a few days later. A combination of those two, I'm pain-free.
Yeah.
I'm really pain-free.
I'd just like to point out that you, like many people, had more than one source to your back pain. You had discs that were causing the back pain, facet joints that were causing the back pain, sacroiliac joints that were causing the back pain, I think a piriformis that was causing the back pain. And because you were walking so funny, you were getting bursitis and other pain in your leg from the iliotibial band. We had to identify every one of those sources and treat everyone properly. And once that was done, it eliminates the pain permanently.
I have dreamt of feeling this way for years. Teared up a little bit this morning when I woke up. I could get out of bed without holding on to the wall, or it was just an incredible feeling.
Well, I'm very happy for you, and you could see we did your surgery with the laser, cleaning out your discs. Where did you go for your spine care? Was it a good center?
Prior to coming here,
yeah,
I was at 2 major medical facilities in Western Pennsylvania and Eastern Ohio. Went through a lot of pain with the different procedures and surgeries I had done, and had no relief.
And what were these other facilities, you can say?
UPMC and Cleveland Clinic.
Yeah, 2 of the top spine institutions in the world, right?
Yes.
Great reputation, and yet they couldn't get you out of pain.
No.
And they were just ping-ponging you between surgery and pain management, surgery and pain management.
That's exactly what happened, yes.
And there's no hope for actually getting cured because they don't have the cure to back pain. We do. Unfortunately, we've been trying to share that cure with them, but they're not interested. They just want to keep doing fusions because, well, let's say it, fusions make a lot more money than laser surgery does. It's hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars over your lifetime. That said, I'm glad you're doing well. When are you guys heading home?
Getting on a plane in a couple hours.
All right, very good. Is there anything you want to tell people out there in final remark?
I would just say that Deuk Spine Institute has been a lifesaver for me, literally. I would highly recommend it. I was being ping-ponged around for 5 years. I have dreamt of feeling like I feel right now for a very long time. So I cannot thank you, Dr. Patel, your entire staff. Everybody's been just incredible.
That's what we're here for, my friend.
Thank you, Doctor.
Give people back their lives.
Yes, thank you, sir.
All right, now go enjoy your Top Golf.
I will now. I will now.
All right, let's get you out of here.